In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Airtable and ClickUp. This integration is a powerful way to streamline your workflow by connecting two highly flexible productivity tools through an automation platform. By linking them together, you can reduce manual work, improve consistency, and save valuable time in your daily operations. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Zapier homepage. Zapier is an automation tool that connects different applications and allows them to work together through automated workflows. Once you arrive on the homepage, look for the Create button and click it. This is where you begin building a new automation, commonly referred to as a Zap. After selecting Create, navigate to the Zap Setup area. In the search bar, type Connect Airtable to ClickUp. This will display relevant automation options that help you link both platforms. Once you see the appropriate option, select Start Building to begin configuring your workflow. Next, you will set up a trigger. A trigger is the event that initiates your automation. In the search field, type Airtable and choose it from the list of available applications. This establishes Airtable as the source of your trigger event. After selecting Airtable, choose the specific event that will start your automation process. Once your trigger is set, move on to configuring the action. The action is what happens after the trigger is activated. In the search field, type ClickUp and select it from the results. This sets ClickUp as the application where your automated action will take place. At this point, you may be prompted to sign in to both Airtable and ClickUp. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. This usually includes selecting Sign In, confirming your connection, and choosing your ClickUp workspace. These steps ensure that Zapier has the correct permissions to interact with both platforms. After signing in, return to Zapier and connect your workspace. This authorizes the integration between ClickUp and Zapier. Once connected, choose the specific event that should occur in ClickUp when the Airtable trigger is activated. Then proceed by clicking Continue. Now, refine your setup by selecting the appropriate workspace and confirming the data fields that will be used. This step helps ensure that the correct information flows between Airtable and ClickUp in a structured way. Continue through the remaining prompts until your Zap configuration is complete. And that is it. You have successfully created an integration between Airtable and ClickUp using Zapier, allowing you to automate workflows and improve productivity across both tools. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.